to Swimming Tubbies, and now we are glitched out to this mountain. Yup.
Hiking, of course.
Yeah, wait,
We're
the
hiking, boy.
yeah, AKA, wait, AKA hiking. Is that good?
Hiking, this is good.
AKA,
To my know, I'll give you a screenshot how it looks like up here because I have the no fucking guy.
alright, I'll see it
Alright,
after I'm done recording. Hmm,
there.
this really looks like. Oh, it's
There, what
good.
it looks like in the view without a fog.
Okay, I'll see you when I'm done recording. Alright, let's go now. You ready? Are you ready?
Alrighty, kids. Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Are you going? Are you going? Are you going down there?
Why not?
Oh, then what are we gonna do now?
Oh, I thought you're gonna re-recording. Oh, alright, let's do it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh,
Oh,
running up. Ouch, ouch.
I think I don't want to
I'm gonna
die.
fly again.
Oh, I didn't take health damage. Oh, I didn't take health
Man.
damage anymore.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm not. I thought I was actually going down, but no. Denied.
you nice.
Flying in Minecraft.
Flying,
We fly in Minecraft because
flying,
yeah, this is how we fly Minecraft. We still walk.
flying Minecraft be like.
We don't have Minecraft,
Yeah, I know.
but there's actually a free way to get Minecraft.
Uh.
Download T launcher. So I got Minecraft.
I'm just gonna look in the leaves. Wow, there's really much branches.
Yeah, I was chopping wood.
Is this? Is this leaves or something?
Of course
Wow.
it's leaves. Why not?
Is this fruits? Is that fruits right there?
Trees can grow leaves. But in my
This is
this
really
is
good.
weird. If I do low graphics, the leaves are like in image or something. They're like flat as paper. If I see a tree far away, they're so dark, flat. But if I come close, it's a normal tree.
Oh, I can't go into it. Cutting the tree, even though. Oh, I can see some. Look, hey, cut this part. Cut this part. Cut this part. Where are you? Where are you?
Cutting tree is bad. I learned my lesson.
Cut
Don't
this.
know.
Wait. There's one.
Because if the storm, because we're ruining the nature. Don't you get it?
Yeah.
Don't wanna live with. Because what if you do? Wake up one day with a bad smell of air. You won't breathe properly because without plants, no oxygen. No oxygen, no breathing. Just
Yeah.
like you're in space, but you're on a planet.
Look at the small tree. It's really small. It's really small.
But I'll stop talking to science stuff or something because this is all about gaming, not learning.
Oh,
We could learn a little bit, but
look at
oh, a
that.
simple tree. It looks like a Christmas tree.
Yeah. You
It's
can
too
say that
big.
again. Oh, really.
Alright, let's do it. Let's carve it with our knife, or we could chop it with an axe.
Some of the leaves.
What do you prefer, carve or chop?
Cub.
Do you want to carve?
Cub.
Carve. All right, let's carve it.
We're doing
Carving a
nonsense.
tattoo that says sub to chill Rex. Can sub.
Alright, I'm gonna write
Carve
sub
like
to
inside.
Chillax 100 and sub to Gaming Chillax 100. Yeah, I already wrote that. Oh yeah, it does say sub
Bro,
to
that
Chillax.
is not. That's a beautiful one. On my nose. There's an ant on the tree. It bit my nose.
Oh.
Wait.
You're putting the
Oh,
ant.
all I see is not just ants I'm looking right now. It's a leaf cutter ants. They chop like scissors. You can cut leaves so perfect.
Oh my god, so many of them.
Of course, you don't want let any one of them climb on your face because they have a big ass bite.
I just
And you know what's
realized
worse?
what?
Bullet ants because they have venom sting.
I can see a few bullet ants right now. Few bullet ants.
Wait, what? Hold
I
on.
can, a
Hold
few
on. Wait,
bullet
wait, wait,
ants.
wait. I can fix with that. Here is a RPG bug spray because I don't want to get venom.
Okay.
Alright, I think that's all of them. Oh my god, the smell is strong.
Ah!
Sorry. I told you, you cannot. I mean, you may shoot through the invisible wall with guns, but not RPG.
Okay, thank you guys
Because
for
RPG will eventually hit.
thank you guys for watching this episode and see you next time. Bye.